Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these sushi angonmasis, like angongmas, you know those guys. So they're out of Lego. They're pretty simple. So what you do, get a Lego person's leg out of them, and then boom, you just got a leg. And then now you attach these here, like this, these things that came out like a pig nose, like this, and then you attach this. But make sure this thing is smooth. And in the back, you attach these kind of things, like this, and then these kind of flat thingies. So they're 4x4, no 2x2. I think 2x2, like double the size of this. And there we go, crewmate. But you know, among us, you can't have a crewmate if you don't have an imposter. Imposter. Yeah. You get a leg, any leg, it's okay. And then you get this kind of stuff. They're same as crewmates. So if you have, if you have enough piece, then make another crewmate. But that crewmate is an imposter. Do this. But yeah, attach this to the same as crewmate. But the only difference is they don't have the back. Because you add this, you add this here like this. Make sure the part is like this flat, not twisted. And then in the back, you add this, like that, so on. And add this brown piece, attach it, and add another piece. The color doesn't matter. If you want actual color, you could. And for the knife, this, and the sticky part, attach it here like this. You see this? But if you want to make it more realistic, boom, add this, like this, so this Lego robot arm piece, and then add the knife. And what happens then? You know what happens? Boom. They're dead. He killed the crewmate. And this is pretty simple. Just destroy the crewmate, get the leg, add this kind of stuff like these pokey things and these red things for the blood. If it's wobbly, like this, just ignore it. That's what it's supposed to be. And add this, then just add this. Boom, that's it. This guy's dead. So that's how you make Among Us. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And make sure to subscribe, or this crazy imposter might hide under your bed tonight.